How to use Spotify guided workouts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for Spotify, and make sure that the Spotify application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. Now, go ahead and open the app, and once you have opened the app, tap on the search bar you see there and search for fitness or workout or sports or anything like that, and you will then see a bunch of options there. You can simply tap on the fitness hub option you see there, and you can also find it under home recommendations and wellness categories. Further, go ahead and choose your workout type from all the options available there, such as strength body training, strength weighted training, or Pilates, or yoga, or stretching, meditation, etc. So once you have selected a workout, simply tap on it and then tap on the play option you see there. And with this, you can then go ahead and follow your instructor guidance. You can also Spotify mix by mixing the voice coaching or music playback or timed intervals or exercise instructions. Many workouts actually transition between songs and coaching prompts. Also, if you use the Peloton classes you see there, it is the premium version of Spotify, as Spotify partnered with Peloton in 2026, and premium users can access to strength classes, bar classes, yoga classes, stretching, meditation, and running workouts. And once you access the Peloton workouts, you can simply tap on it and follow your instructor, and with this, you will be doing your Peloton workout. Also, you can switch between devices to start a workout video on TV and then continue audio during a run on your phone. You can also finish your meditation on a smart speaker if you want. Additionally, if you want, you can also go ahead and simply download the workout classes and playlists and guided sessions, and you can then go ahead and use it further whenever you do not have an internet connection. Also, you can customize your workout recommendations by adjusting your listening habits, your fitness interest, and your activity preferences and mood selections. So this was about how you can use Spotify guided workouts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.